Hi, my name is Christina Sanchez, and welcome back to the Math Resource Center at HCC Del Mabry campus. Here, we're talking about the trigonometry final review, and this is question number 35. The question reads, transform the polar equation to an equation in rectangular coordinates. Then identify and graph the equation. Our equation today is going to be r equals -4 cosine theta. To the left, I included some formulas that we may need today. R equals plus or minus the square root of x squared plus y squared. X equals r cosine theta. Y equals r sine theta. And the formula for completing the square, which is the quantity of b over 2 squared. So first things first, I went ahead and rewrote r equals -4 cosine theta. If we look at our formulas, we see that x equals r cosine theta, but in our equation here, there is no r on the right-hand side. So I'm going to multiply both sides by r. That gives us r squared equals -4x. We also know that r squared translates to x squared plus y squared from that first formula that was provided here. So we get x squared plus y squared equals -4x. What I'm going to do now is move that -4x over to the other side. We're going to get x squared minus 4x plus y squared equals 0. Now if you look here, it seems that we're missing a constant, and that's where you're going to be completing your square. So over to the left, I completed the square and got -4 over 2 quantity squared. We know that -4 over 2 is -2, and that quantity squared equals 4. Now when you complete the square, one of the biggest mistakes is that you forget to add this quantity to both sides. So be sure that you add the 4 to the left and the right-hand side. At that point, we get x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus y squared equals 4. Now this should start to be looking familiar to you, and it maybe has been a little while, but this actually translates into the standard form equation of a circle. X plus 2 quantity squared plus y squared equals 4. This equation tells us that we have a center at -2, 0. You want to remember that this x plus 2 is actually going to be a -2 when you're translating it to your graph. And we know that the radius is going to be this 4. The radius squared equals 4. So we know that that equals 2. So when I went ahead and graphed, I have the center at -2 with the radius of 2 all the way around. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out our channel for more math help.